In this video, I'll show you how to get and use a soundboard in Discord. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on Discord, and the first thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like, and then just go to a search engine such as Google. Now, one of the best soundboards and voice changes actually I know for Discord is called VoiceMod. I'm going to show you exactly how to download it and then set it up with Discord and then go and use it. So make sure you keep watching. So you spell that VoiceMod, all one word, just like that, and hit enter. And then make sure you go to the official website, which is voicemod.net. And here we are on the website. Now, as you can see here, it's giving you a bit of information. All you need to do is tap on Get VoiceMod Free, just like so, and you're going to need to go and either sign in or create an account. It's really easy. As you can see, we've got all these options here, and you can just go and enter your email as well. So that's what I'm going to do. And then once you've created or signed into your account, then the VoiceMod setup file is going to go and download. Now, it is important to note that every browser is slightly different with how it downloads files. So they may not appear in your browser like mine have done, but you can always go and open up your file explorer and then go to your downloads folder, and then you're going to go and find the setup files there. Then to go and actually start the installation process, just go and tap on one just like so, and then it's going to go to start installing. You're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up, which unfortunately I can't go and record due to Windows, and now here we are. So I'm just going to go and temporarily close off Discord like that, and let's just choose the setup language to be English. That's fine with me. And then we're going to go and get this screen here. So go ahead and tap next. I've already read the agreement, so I'm going to agree to it. And then you can choose where you want VoiceMod to be installed, and there's some shortcuts you can add. And then we've got to finalize everything, then tap install, and it's now started. Then once it's finished, it's going to go and say completing the VoiceMod setup wizard. Make sure you go and select launch VoiceMod, then press finish, and VoiceMod is going to go and automatically launch. VoiceMod is now launched, and then we can go and tap on get started just like so. And what's going to happen is your browser is going to open, and it's going to go and log you into your account because we already logged on our browser. It's just going to go and sort of merge our accounts. And here we are, it's now warming up, so you can just go and wait. When VoiceMod starts for the first time, it's going to go and ask you to go and select your microphone. So go and tap on the drop down menu and then choose the mic you want to go and use. To go and use the USB PNP sound device, and then you need to go and choose your speaker, and mine is the Realtek R Audio. And on the homepage of VoiceMod is going to be the voice box. As I mentioned earlier, VoiceMod is a voice changing tool, but it's also got this soundboard. So to go and access the soundboard, all you need to do is go to the left hand side and go and press on soundboard. We're going to start on the My Soundboard page, and we've got 3 here. And the awesome thing about VoiceMod is we can go and import our own sounds. As you can see, we can import MP3 or WAV files directly from your computer. So tap here and your file explorer will open. But there are loads of sounds to choose from. Go and click on the Prankster option, and then we've got EDM and so many more, so do go and check those out. But in order to go and use VoiceMod in Discord, then we need to go and set some important settings. So go and open up Discord just like so, and here we are. Then what you need to do is go and tap on user settings in the bottom left of Discord, and what you need to do is go down to app settings and go to voice and video. So the first thing you need to do is come right to the top and go and tap on input device. Tap on this drop down option here, and what you need to do is go and select the VoiceMod virtual audio device next to the microphone option. Tap there. That's really important. That's the primary setting we need to go and use. Then once you've done that, you need to scroll down and you need to go and disable input sensitivity. By default, it's going to be like this, but you need to go and switch it off like that, and then just set it to -60. To be honest, I'm pretty sure mine was default -60. Then scroll down, and we then need to go down to voice processing, and you need to go and disable echo cancellation. So just click on that just like so. And the next thing you need to do is go and disable noise suppression and go and set it to none, because this needs to be set to none because essentially sometimes Discord goes and detects the sounds by the soundboard as background noise. So go and disable it or select none just like so. And then the main settings you need to go and use. So now what you can go and do is either go and join a server or go and call somebody, and then you can go and start using the soundboard. It's really, really cool. And then you can go and play them on the call. And the other awesome things as well is if you want to go and preview what they sound like before going on a call, then all you need to do is go and tap on it, and you can go and hear it. And if you get bored of listening to it, just press stop sound, and that's going to go and stop everything. And so that's how you can go and use a soundboard in Discord. If you guys found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.